Welcome to the best picks. The best Crepe Erase is probably one of the most talked about skincare products for reducing the appearance of crepey skin, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes it so popular, exploring its key ingredients, application techniques, and most importantly, whether it lives up to the hype. We will analyze its effectiveness, discuss user experiences, and provide you with a comprehensive review to help you decide if it's the right choice for your skincare routine. Number 5. Gold Bond Age Renew Crepe Corrector. This is Gold Bond Age Renew Crepe Corrector Body Lotion. It's designed to help diminish the appearance of crepey skin, leaving your skin feeling smoother and softer. It's a replenishing and smoothing formula that contains protective antioxidants, powerful botanicals, and nourishing omega fatty acids. These ingredients work together to improve your skin's appearance. This lotion helps to diminish the visible signs of crepey skin, such as those fine, thin wrinkles. You'll notice a visible difference in your skin's texture. It provides 24-hour moisturization for lasting hydration. It keeps your skin feeling soft and hydrated throughout the day. This lightweight lotion is fragrance-free, fast-absorbing, and non-greasy. It's also been dermatologically tested for sensitive skin. Experience the difference. It leaves your skin feeling incredibly smooth and soft. You'll love the way it feels. What we like? It provides long-lasting moisture throughout the day. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. If you prefer a fragrance-free, easily absorbed moisturizer for all-day hydration, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It's not too thick or too thin, and moisturizes beautifully, with no skin sensitivities for my skin that usually freaks out with any moisturizing product. The scent is almost unnoticeable and the product is effective. This is a very good moisturizer. It's scent-free, absorbs quickly, and is greaseless. This moisturizes my neck where the skin is thin and crepey. Will purchase again. Number 4. Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair. This advanced body repair treatment helps fight the appearance of wrinkles and crepe-like skin. It's designed for both your face and body. Watch as it works to support your skin's natural elastin and collagen production. You'll notice a visible difference in your skin's texture and tone. This versatile cream is perfect for use on both your face and body, addressing wrinkles and crepe-like skin wherever it appears. It absorbs quickly and easily, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated without a heavy or greasy residue. It's comfortable to wear throughout the day. With continued use, it helps to improve the appearance of wrinkles and restore a more youthful glow. Uncover your most radiant skin yet. Experience the transformative power of this anti-aging cream. It's your secret to smoother, more youthful-looking skin. What we like? This cream helps your skin produce its own collagen and elastin. It's a powerful anti-aging solution for both your face and body. If you're looking to boost your skin's natural renewal process, this product is ideal for you. What people say? It's a very thick moisturizer, which is why it makes crepey skin less noticeable. The product is rich, fragrance-free, perfect, a high-level moisturizer, and does an impressive job of smoothing and tightening skin to a surprising degree. This lotion is like magic. Put it on and I can see my skin become smoother and tighter. I use it all over my body. Number 3. Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair. This advanced body repair treatment helps fight the signs of aging. It's designed to improve the appearance of wrinkles and crepe-like skin on both your face and body. Watch as it works to support your skin's natural elastin and collagen production. You'll notice a visible difference in the texture and tone of your skin. This luxurious cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated, without any greasy residue. It's perfect for use on both your face and body, targeting those areas most affected by aging. Experience a more youthful and radiant complexion. With consistent use, you'll see a significant improvement in the appearance of wrinkles and crepe-like skin. It's time to reveal your most radiant skin yet. This generous 10-ounce size ensures you have plenty of product for lasting results. Start your journey to smoother, younger-looking skin today. What we like? This cream helps your skin produce its own collagen and elastin. It's a powerful anti-aging solution for both your face and body. If you're looking to boost your skin's natural renewal process, this product is ideal for you. What people say. It's a very thick moisturizer, which is why it makes crepey skin less noticeable. The product is rich, fragrance-free, perfect, a high-level moisturizer, and does an impressive job of smoothing and tightening skin to a surprising degree. This lotion is like magic. Put it on and I can see my skin become smoother and tighter. I use it all over my body. Number 2. Crepe Erase Plump and Firm. This advanced facial treatment is designed to hydrate and firm your skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and crepe skin. It's the perfect addition to your nighttime skincare routine. It provides intense hydration while working to improve skin elasticity and firmness. You'll notice a smoother, more youthful complexion. Specifically formulated to address the concerns of aging skin, it helps diminish the look of wrinkles and crepe texture. Experience a visible improvement in your skin's appearance. This luxurious night cream absorbs quickly without feeling heavy or greasy. Wake up to softer, more radiant skin. Apply it generously to your face and neck each night for best results. It's a simple step to add to your daily routine for a more youthful look. With continued use, you'll see a significant reduction in the appearance of wrinkles and crepe skin. Reveal your most radiant, youthful skin. What we like. It plumps and firms your skin, leaving it looking youthful and radiant. It's specifically designed for facial use and is ideal as a night cream. If you want a targeted facial treatment to address wrinkles and crepey skin, this is a great option. What people say. This product left my face and chest extremely moist and supple. It allows me to layer any scents that I may use. The cream's moisturizing effects last long into the evening, giving me an extremely youthful appearance. This product worked wonders on my thighs and kneecaps. If your skin sags, rub a small amount onto the area. It does seem to make the skin look taut. I have used this product for more than 3 years. Number 1. Crepe Erase Advanced Body Smoothing. This innovative pre-treatment is designed to smooth and refine the appearance of skin. It's formulated with a unique TrueFirm complex for optimal results. The TrueFirm complex is a key ingredient, working to target the look of crepe-like skin. It helps to improve skin's elasticity and firmness. Simply apply it to the targeted areas of your body before your favorite moisturizer. Gently massage it in until fully absorbed. With consistent use, you'll notice a visible improvement in the texture and tone of your skin. It leaves your skin feeling smoother and more youthful. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for a more refined and radiant appearance. Experience the transformative power of Crepe Erase Advanced. See the dramatic results for yourself. Crepe Erase Advanced helps to visibly reduce the appearance of crepey skin. What we like. It's a pre-treatment that prepares your skin for other products in the line. The unique TrueFirm complex helps to smooth and refine your skin's texture. If you want to maximize the effectiveness of your skincare routine, this is a must-have. What people say. The body wash is the first step to minimizing crepey wrinkled skin as your body ages. It is followed by the body cream application that firms the body and further reduces crepey skin. It does not take the entire crepe away, but it's got great moisture and did not bother or irritate skin. I love this Crepe Erase Exfoliate. I'm 65 and my neck was getting very crepey and sagging. I decided to try this product every night when I take a shower. I put it on my neck and chest, continue to use it, and the results are amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.